I just shot down a bird. Don't know what kind it is. Don't know what color it is. But we're about to find out. Wait, what's that? That was a bluebird. Clean, no pain headshot. Look, I'll turn him over. Look, painless headshot right in the brain. Look, you see that? You see that right there? That is a brain shot right there. You are dead, buddy. You are dead. The gun that I killed him with was a Daisy 8 Model 880. The scope is incredible. All you have to do is just aim down a little bit where it gets dark with the scope, a 4x15 from Daisy. You have to aim down a little bit where it gets the darkest part, like where it begins to get dark, and then aim to the right in the middle. That's how you get clean shots with the Daisy sniper.